Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going well so far. Another fantastic day here in the valley. Currently 54 degrees and sunny. Amazing for mid-February. Today I'm going to taste test the Antico Molino Zuccherini Italian breakfast cookies. My apologies if I didn't pronounce that correctly. I bought this box at a local department store here in Wenatchee the other day for $1.99. It was on clearance, red light special, near the checkout counter. Normal price was $3.99 for this 14.1 ounce box. I was able to get it for $1.99. Looks like a great deal. The box caught my eye, and of course the name, Italian breakfast cookies. Little imprint looks like wheat there on the front. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, nice creamy texture. Oh, a butter cookie. Oh yeah. Mmm. It's coated with sugar crystals. Oh, great flavor. Oh boy. Mmm. Wow. Contains wheat, milk, eggs. May contain traces of soy, almonds, hazelnuts, coconut. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Wow. Oh yeah. This would be a great snack, or even as a treat, as a dessert after dinner, or you sprinkle this on top of some Greek yogurt. Ooh, it has some blueberries. I wonder what this would taste like. Dip it in some decaf coffee. Since I don't drink coffee, that's not something that I'll be able to do, but maybe one of you viewers out there will be able to give this a try. And let me know how it turns out with cappuccino or with decaf. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give the Zuccherini Italian breakfast cookies a 9.15. Good flavor. Wow, I am impressed. Who knew that a department store would carry food items? They have a really nice selection. Full disclosure, Burlington is not a sponsor of this video, and the Borgo de Medicini SRL is not a sponsor of this video. Oh, mama. Yep. Wow. That's amazing. Good flavor. Wow. And the box was well packaged, and the majority of the cookies are intact. So that's great. They're not smashed. Good deal. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a fun and safe President's Day weekend. Ta-da! Thank you for your service.